Before working on the affected system, it is important to check the status of the bottom cover tamper detection setting. Press the power button and then tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Use the right arrow key to select the security menu. Navigate down to the internal device access menu option and press enter. If bottom cover tamper detection is enabled, removing the bottom cover will trigger a password prompt the next time the machine is powered on. Do not service the machine unless the customer can provide this password. If the customer does provide the tamper detection password or if the setting is off, proceed working on the affected system by disabling the internal battery. Make sure the power adapter is unplugged from the machine and then press the escape key to back out of the internal device access menu. Use the left arrow key to select the config menu. Navigate down to the power menu option and press enter. Select the disable built-in battery menu option and press enter again. Verify that yes is selected and then press enter to power down the system. Loosen all 5 screws on the bottom cover and then remove the cover from the system. If the affected system includes a wireless WAN card, the antennas must be pulled from around the battery. Pry the antenna cables near the corners of the battery for easy removal. Be careful to not disconnect the antennas from the wireless WAN card in the process. Remove all 4 screws from the battery. Lift the battery near the connector to remove it from the system. Inspect the area beneath the internal battery for unfastened or misaligned screws. Make sure to lift any ribbon cables in order to inspect the screws hidden underneath. Unfastened screws may be removed or reinserted. Do not add any new screws into the system. Inspect both sides of the internal battery for damage to the protective covering. If the battery has been damaged by an unfastened screw, then the damaged battery must be replaced. Before reassembling the system, review the battery area for anything abnormal, such as extra screws attached to the magnets on the edge of the machine. Place the undamaged or replacement battery into the system bottom edge first. Make sure the wireless WAN antennas are not pinched underneath the battery and that the battery is fully connected. Install 4 screws to secure the battery in place. Place the wireless WAN antenna cables into the guides along the edge of the battery. If the antennas became disconnected from the wireless WAN card during the inspection process, reconnect the orange cable to the main terminal and the blue cable to the auxiliary terminal. Place the edge of the bottom cover opposite the hinges onto the system first and then lower the cover down into place. Tighten all 5 screws to secure the cover to the system. Before returning the machine to the customer, plug in the power adapter and power on the system to re-enable the internal battery and verify that the system is working properly.